Hi, I'm Emma, and welcome to the app installation guide for your DISH POS device. In this tutorial, we show you how to download and install the DISH POS app. First, open a browser on your device and enter the IP address of your POS server. For example, 192.168.178.10 followed by :8080/book/webapp. Into the URL field and press enter. The download then will automatically start. Depending on your browser, you will receive a notification that the download was successful. Now initiate the installation by tapping on Open. A new window will then be displayed, asking you if you like to proceed with the installation of the DISH POS app. To do so, tap on Install. Once the app got installed, you are able to launch it. Simply tap on Open. That's it! You completed the tutorial and now know how to download and install the DISH POS app.